This is a video on how to change the tightening screw to a latch lock for the Titus Espresso grinder. I had a problem tightening the screw due to my age and small size. If not properly tightening, the grind setting would move. This occurred to me a number of times. I emailed Frank and he sent me a latch lock. First you have to remove the screw. I'm having trouble here, as you can see. And the new latch key is installed. You have to adjust the screw so that when the latch is pushed down, it locks the grinder. As you can see, properly locked, the grind setting does not move. And the easy part is just lift up to adjust the grind setting and just push down again and you're all set.